In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp as your habit tracker. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a ready-to-go habit tracking system built from a template, and you'll know how to switch between different views so you can manage your routines in the way that works best for you. First, open your ClickUp Workspace and head over to the main overview area of your chosen team space. This is your starting point, and it's where you can access templates and create new structures for your habits. Once you're in the overview, look for the highlighted area that opens the template options for this space and click on it. From there, choose Templates. This will bring up the template library that ClickUp provides. In this example, we're using a pre-built setup, so click on the highlighted template that's being shown to you, then select Use Template. This tells ClickUp you want to copy that structure into your own workspace. Next, you'll see options for how and where to add this template. Click on the highlighted dropdown to choose the exact location. Then click Select Location. You can place this habit tracker inside an existing folder or list, or create a new area just for your habits. It's worth taking a moment here to think about where you want this to live so you can find it easily later. Before you finalize, ClickUp lets you customize what gets imported. Click Customize Import Items to review any tasks, views, or settings that come with the template. Then click on Remap Dates so that any sample dates in the template are aligned with your current or upcoming days instead of being stuck in the past. Once everything looks good, click Use Template again to create your habit tracker. When the template is ready, open the Getting Started guide that appears. This is usually a simple list or document that explains how the template is structured and gives you a quick orientation. Now you can explore different views of your habits. Click on Board to see your habits organized in columns, which is great if you like a visual, Kanban-style layout. Switch to List to see all your habits in a clean, text-based list. If there's a highlighted view option, click that and then choose Table. The table view is especially helpful for habit tracking because you can see habits, dates, and statuses in a spreadsheet-style grid. Finally, look for any views labeled View, then open options like Plan, Schedule, and Delegate. Click on View there, and again on the next view option that appears. These additional views give you planning or calendar-style perspectives on your habits, so you can schedule, review, and adjust your routines over time, all within ClickUp.